What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to check Windows configuration. So to do that, let's just follow the steps I'm going to show you and don't skip the video so we don't miss any step. So to do that, click Windows icon on the lower left and here click on settings. It's the gear icon and from here click system right here. Once you're there, just click on about. If you can't find about, just scroll down and you'll find it in here, just in the bottom of optional features. On the left side, navigation, and you may have to scroll and here, and once you're there, an information will display letting you review your computer specs. So yeah, these are the specs of my computer, as you can see. So this is how you can just know your specs too. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.